Hello guys, in this video we will see what is error code bulletin. So if in COD Warzone and how to fix it, we'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step of restart York and BattleNet clean content the BLZBNTBGS000003F8 error often indicates a temporary file access issue or a minor conflict. A full system reboot can resolve many such transient problems by clearing cached data, resetting system processes, and ensuring no other application is holding game files hostage. Close both the Call of Duty Warzone game and the BattleNet launcher completely, then restart your entire computer. Once York has fully restarted, launch the BattleNet client as an administrator. Right-click and select Run as Administrator, and attempt to launch Warzone again.
Step to utilize the BattleNet skin and repair feature content. This error is frequently linked to corrupted or missing game files, which the BattleNet launcher can automatically detect and fix. Open your BattleNet client and navigate to the Call of Duty Warzone game tab below the game title and above the Play button. Locate and click the Options drop-down menu. From the options, select Scan and Repair. Confirm the action. When prompted, the client will then scan your game directory for any integrity issues and download replace any problematic files. This process may take some time depending on your system and internet speed. Step update graphics drivers and BattleNet application content. Outdated graphics drivers can cause various in-game errors, including those related to file access and rendering. Ensure your drivers are up to date by visiting the official website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA and/or Intel, and downloading the latest stable driver version. Perform a clean installation of these drivers. Additionally, an outdated BattleNet desktop application itself can lead to stability issues. Open the BattleNet client, click the Blizzard icon in the top left corner, and select Check for updates to ensure the launcher is running the latest version.
Step to disable conflicting background applications. Contain certain background applications, particularly antivirus software, firewalls, or overlay programs like Discord overlay, DeForce, Experience, or similar recording software can interfere with Warzone's ability to access or write game files, triggering the BLZBNTBGS000003F8 error. Temporarily disable any active antivirus programs, third-party firewalls, or game overlay applications. Before launching Warzone, you can also try adding an exception for the entire Call of Duty Warzone game directory in your antivirus software settings. Perform a clean boot to identify specific software conflicts. If the issue persists after disabling common culprits,
Step verify disk health and reinstall Warzone content. If the pressing steps do not resolve the error, the problem might stem from your storage drive's health or persistent file corruption. First, ensure you have sufficient free disk space on the drive where Warzone is installed, as insufficient space can cause write errors. Run a disk error check on Windows to identify and repair any bad sectors or file system errors on your hard drive. As a final, more drastic solution, consider completely uninstalling Call of Duty Warzone and then performing a fresh installation. This ensures all game files are brand new and correctly placed, often resolving deep-seated file integrity issues